Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make the ultimate LEGO Clone Wars Mace Windu. We'll be upgrading this LEGO Mace Windu from the Republic Fighter Tank set. You're going to want to keep the torso and the lightsaber that he comes with. The other figure that we're going to be using is this Mace Windu from 2013, and we're going to take the legs and the head from this minifigure. If you've done it correctly, it should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. This tutorial was much quicker than my normal ones, but I still think that it works regardless. Just by combining two LEGO Mace Windu minifigures, we now have a much more detailed output. If you have any ideas for a minifigure you would like to see me make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed, but yeah, that's about it for today. There are some more tutorials on the end screen now if you're interested in watching some more.